motherfucker, that's where I play.
What's the word from ALIEF to Houston to Texas? Boy, ETL, my bros.
You know what I'm saying, Mister? You know I got a lighter. I got a doobie in my hand. What you just saying?
Goddamn KINGGPATT make no time.
Yeah, the ass. But yeah.
Christmas time in this bitch.
Yeah. First EP, December. What is episode 10?
Feliz Navidad.
Never would have
EP 10.
made it. Head ass.
Hell yeah. But yeah, this EP, shit, we gonna, I guess, review or talk about it last month type shit. From Thanksgiving to end of November type shit. Got the ship channel explosion, TexasCity. Boys had the fucking ship channel had explosion. Boys had to evacuate. Some people didn't. They said fuck this shit. But nah, that shit crazy though. Like, yeah. How would y'all feel living? Would y'all live near a ship channel or like chemical plant, any shit like that?
Yeah, no, once that bitch, once that motherfucker explode, that's chemicals in the air. I don't give a damn. They talking about that whole safe or not safe. I can't be around that shit.
It's the fact that nigga, first of all, that shit around water, bro. If it floods, bro, we done for.
That too.
I don't want to live nowhere around fucking water.
Only way I live by a fucking ship channel, like how you said, water's for fishing, cause them hoes be having the best fish around, to be honest.
Yeah.
The best little spot to fish off the side.
Yeah.
But other than that, like, nah, I've been learned to buy like chemicals and the plants and shit. Them plants like old people that used to use chemical shit like oil sheen. Niggas had cancer and all that, so they be in other little towns they got like, you know, diseases and shit from living around chemical plants because of the smoke. Shit'll pollute the air and shit.
And they're bad for you.
So they been taught me hell not to be around no.
You putting kids in the environment, all type of shit. Then when the shit blew up, bro, it ain't, you feel me? It rocked houses, broken windows, talking about doors, found the hinges and shit, bro. But bro, that's at a church. All the windows in the church, windows gone, bro. What?
Hope they had renters insurance, but yeah, you got house insurance. Them insurance was sky high.
Unacceptable, bro.
That fucked up. Even the Lord's house, wasn't protected from that fucking explosion. God damn, that's
shockwave after what they call that shit, radiation wave or some shit. That shit blew out, made some damage. Property
that's the only thing
man.
that like would scare me working at a plant. That them hoes blow up at any given random ass time.
True.
And you never know what if you might be in the place where that hoe just suddenly blow up. Now your ass dead, bro. Like that's fucked up, bro. Like
no, not dead. Like you just stuck out and you gotta be stuck in that shit. I ain't just saying promote no.
That hoe blow up and you in the place where
nobody died. Well,
because no one was in the vicinity.
Yeah.
But if you in the vicinity, nigga, and that hoe blow up, bro, your ass fucked. You not surviving, and your ass gonna be a crispy ass bone when they find you.
Nah, I get what you're saying with exploding. Anything can happen and malfunction.
And I would. That's some
nigga
shit
be
like
on break in the restroom, shit blow up. Nigga, what the fuck you gonna do? Nigga gonna be out.
I'd rather take my chance being at a job getting robbed or something before I take
hell nah.
Hey,
no store clerk.
hey, not even a store clerk anywhere like where your motherfucker run up in that house. Nigga run up in the bank shit. Hey, we all ain't gonna die in this bank shit. Fuck it, let me get the money.
Nigga, it's not your money.
Blow up, nigga.
So don't try to be a hero. It's not your money.
You can have it.
Yeah.
You can fucking have it. I ain't got nothing to do with this shit.
We're not taking your money. We're taking the government's money.
They ain't gonna do shit with 5
Yeah,
million.
you know you say the bad part about that shit is, bro, that plant been in violation for like
what?
Some years type.
Yeah, because what I read in the article, they had explosion like in April 1978 or 79.
They be getting violated.
That's long September.
Yeah, that is.
We wasn't even born shit.
Niggas be getting violated for the
ALIEF
longest.
barely was born.
God damn, they been good down. Shit, fuck it.
But probably like how you said, shit, them niggas human resources on their ass about a lot of shit. They violated.
Now, man. That's like
now that they can cause so much damage.
That's
now.
like the third one this year alone. But like different plants and shit. Like the third one this year alone.
For Texas.
I just be wondering like what these plants be operating for so long.
Yeah.
What just randomly goes wrong one day to where shit just say, fuck it, I'm just blow up, fuck it. What the? What could possibly go wrong? Shit that been up and running for goddamn decades. Just say one day, I'm gonna blow up. What the fuck? How? We do the same shit every day.
And nigga just choose one day and be like, yeah, I'm not gonna check on this.
Or a nigga didn't show up and.
But bro, that's a plant. You don't show up, they automatically got somebody to take your goddamn spot, nigga. Ain't no way they understaffed, nigga. That's one thing a plant ain't gonna be. They'll be overstaffed before they'll be understaffed.
Oh God, they was sending niggas home.
They was sending. Hey, we ain't got no work for you, Papa. We full. We at capacity around this bitch.
Our positions are filled.
Man, we even got niggas sweeping outside, and then we ain't got nothing for you dang them shit. And you gonna come back tomorrow, nigga.
That nigga say sweeping outside. Nah, real shit.
Oh God,
that's facts though.
That's why I'm like, how? Like, what is going wrong in this plant for shit?
Hey, like that shit science. That's all I know, nigga. When you do an experiment, malfunctions happen. It's for real.
But damn, you doing the same experiment for like fucking decade. Goddamn, what could possibly go wrong? You supposed to be a goddamn genius now.
They probably be, switching niggas around, put some new niggas out there, don't know what the fuck they doing, and then shit boom.
True.
Say this shit, boom.
No, for real. Niggas did not fulfill his position, man.
That's fucked up. Nigga make one tiny mistake, big ass boom.
They probably like
fucked up on the measurements.
Yeah, they probably routine maintenance and shit. Gotta check the certain numbers and shit, make sure the whole accurate. Oh, this shit out of all that shit cool, boom.
That shit matter.
He injured, she injured.
You the same shit.
The government finna run that money up or something like.
They can't. Yeah, ain't no recalls, no none of that, man. It's explosion. If anything go wrong, kaboom.
Then that bitch had a second explosion, bro.
Yeah.
On a whole.
Some hours after.
Why they trying to put out the first flame? The second one blew up. Had shit flying in the air. Big ass pipe, bro, flying in the fucking air, bro. Yeah, bro, close that bitch down.
You see what I'm saying, though? Somebody gotta be setting you goddamn. Somewhere because
fuck you did.
Okay, we got one going here. Now that they here, let's blow up the other one on the other side of this bitch.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Let's just go ahead and get rid of all this shit. Get this big ass check, rebuild this bitch, go ahead. Man, them niggas up just scamming.
Wow. Yeah,
them niggas just scamming like a hoe.
And the boy said it took 2 days to put the fire out. Like, I wonder what take them niggas so long.
Man, niggas said radiation. I'm surprised nobody fucked up from that shit.
It was like, I guess because of the type of, I think it's a channel, like ship channel. I don't know what the fuck they carry, but a chemical plant would give some like what you saying, like
that's
radiation.
what I was saying. That's why they had to all the time to evacuate and shit. Then they were there to buy, how the wind blowing, how the wind shipping shit. That shit probably shipped to the city. Luckily,
that's when it started air pollution. They trying to get rid of people. Yeah. But I don't know what type of plant is it. But depending on the plant, they will try to evacuate.
And that's crazy because as far as like air pollution and shit, they were just saying about like Fifth Ward got like it's so many people.
Yeah, because of turkey leg.
Yeah, bro, because it's about that's Third Ward to my Fifth Ward.
Oh,
Fifth Ward got got trains and shit going through this shit all the time.
Yeah.
Bro, pollution hitting it, everybody catching cancer and dying from that shit, bro.
Damn. That shit wild on that part.
That fucked up.
But they was complaining about turkey leg her shit. Talking about the neighborhood.
Yep.
The smoke. Barbecue smoke. Yeah.
Same shit.
Who the fuck don't want to come out their house and smell some good ass barbecue?
Fuck out of here.
I'm going to get me a rib sandwich.
Exactly.
Hey, look, shout out to turkey leg.
That shit smells. Let's go. Bitch,
I ain't never been there before, bro, but I ain't shout out to them niggas.
That's something that happened. What was it, after or before Thanksgiving? But that was something that we didn't even follow up with. But hell yeah.
That shit crazy, bro.
Again, EnoughTalkPodcast, bro, we support this
for real.
In all their endeavors.
I ain't never ate that hoe yet, but yeah.
Yeah, I seen your little place. I like.
Hey, y'all need to bring us some sample plates.
Nah, man.
That's pretty
not saying it on camera, but Tony P got us, man. That's bro gonna bring me something. He already been told me. So we're gonna do our turkey leg review soon. We're gonna do food, like we been said. Food reviews coming soon. Coming soon, man.
That shit
turkey leg gonna be one of them. Like, alright.
Be at random ass fucking restaurants sampling food, free like a hoe.
Oh God, that shit too good. But hell yeah, man, that shit wild with the damn ship challenge shit explosion, man, TexasCity.
That's some unfortunate shit right there.
Yeah.
People out of work and shit.
Shit.
You know they gonna have to get paid like, hey, motherfucker.
They made the niggas evacuate. That's the crazy part. Like if that shit happened over here, we had to like plan on the other side of Highway 6 or other side of fucking Westheimer or something. Man, we had to leave, nigga. What? What you mean? You finna put us in some 5-star hotels? Some shit like, nigga.
Leave.
I'm finna be like,
paid rent.
Fuck that shit, boy.
The fuck you mean leave, nigga?
I'm gonna act like I stay on Bel Air with the Chinese people. Have a mask on. Be good in the bitch. Good in the hood.
Man, I'm good. I'm gonna keep my nose
I'm good for that shit, man.
I ain't got that shit.
They don't give a fuck. But
they do it at the right time, too. Ain't everybody get sick and put that mask on.
Oh, God.
That shit crazy. Well, that's some crazy ass shit.
Meanwhile, you over here coughing and choking. They just walk around freely with a mask.
They ready for every season. Flu season, mosquito season, everything.
They don't give a damn.
They buying all off. You can put that shit in some type of thing and spray the air, nigga. Everybody good. Fuck out of here.
Nah, real shit.
That shit crazy.
No, I heard that.
Yep, you got that. We're gonna speak about Blueface trying to clown YungRo.
Purple face, yellow face. That nigga me fucking dying, bro. I was like, God damn, bro. That is so fucking disrespectful. Like, God damn. Just give bro a whole nother color of faces, bro. Like,
hey man, that shit was too wild. But that shit was forced on Blueface and like, damn, niggas can't humbly have a speech about what they process and shit. You wanna, if you can't this and that. But Blueface was wrong for taking the same words bruh said.
And then using it as an example.
That's a direct hit, bro. Like, that's a direct
man, but at the same time, bro,
you could have just said what you said, like give some knowledge, like damn, if you can't do nothing with your money, this and that, you signed a deal. You ain't even have to say amount or none of that type of shit. Do we understand that? Yeah, but you really don't know behind the scenes when
it was a good message, but at the same time, bro, it was just your wording was just fucked up, bro.
But at the same time, you understand, bro, when you just in that light, bro, and everybody watching you, bro.
Yeah.
When you post shit publicly, anybody can speak on it.
Yeah, no bullshit.
That's what come with that.
Yeah.
So you gotta be able to.
I think that's what.
I just say the freedom of speech is he can say what he say.
I think that's what wrong.
The message, but the direction. That's what it was like. Him talking about like you had to bring his you had to word exactly dialysis, grandma, and that word exactly house, mom, all that shit like that. You could have just said anything else. If you can't make any moves that you want to make when you just signed a deal, then you just signed the wrong deal. How simple was that shit? Instead of taking a nigga words, nigga humbly speaking, saying nigga I'm worried about important shit, like important priorities before I just go splurging. Like damn, you mad because.
Now you got everybody on your ass.
I can't say why Blueface mad. I can't say why Blueface is even mad. Like why you even have to be direction? But
at the same time, you understand, bro. See, rappers are rappers, man.
True.
And rappers don't understand. They just be saying shit. And they don't understand, but that shit get your ass beat the fuck up.
For real, bro.
You feel me? So. Nigga, bro just gonna do what he gonna say what he wanna say because he feel like ain't nobody slap shit out of him. Somebody slap shit out of the bitch ass, he gonna stop talking that shit. He gonna mention somebody.
He gonna be purple face, baby.
I gonna be purple than a bitch. Nigga hit him with the back of that gun, nigga.
Blue, all it takes is some pressure to make that shit purple.
I'm telling you, that shit ain't no game, boy. You better.
For real.
That's why I think my play. I don't give a fuck how famous I get, bro. One night I ain't never getting into nobody business, bro.
Exactly, bro. Shit, like bro. That was you attention, bro. You all the way on the west. You were about all the way over here, man. Like now you try to make some Cali and Texas beef ass dry shit. Trying to dry hate on niggas.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
Like all that type of shit.
I banged the shit, my shit from Cali, bro, but I I ain't gonna lie, bitch. I can't sit here and we gonna step. I don't give a fuck.
Bro, I'll stay busy.
We gonna
stay
step, bro.
like population wise. So, but I'm just saying he ain't even had to just like nigga upcoming. Like damn, y'all trying to make YungRo like introducing YungRo to the industry. Like like beef shit. He getting known. Then nigga was known because he was beefing with Blueface.
They gonna make it worse than now. The attention's not even on Ro doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? The positive shit. Now it's on some, oh shit, now Ro going back and forth. This nigga now, they make
that's how they labeling it.
Nah, cause you know him.
Meet me a new artist beefing with Blueface. Blueface, this meet me a new artist. Like, damn, let that nigga get the meet me a new artist part out the way first.
Nah, but they chopped that shit up. They chopped that shit up between them two.
Who, Meek and Blue?
Nah,
Ro and Blueface.
Oh, nah, man. I saw what Blue. I ain't speaking on what Blue did after. He had the right to do whatever, defend himself wise, whatever, like how he shouted out or like tried to, you know, hit on his Blueface sister and shit. And all
that shit was funny. I ain't gonna lie, she got dead over her head. She even came back with a weak ass diss song.
Yeah, that's why I can't really speak on none of that type shit. That's the aftermath, but
if I were Ro, I'd have reported that song. I'd have dropped. Report like a hard at me and all my homies. Report that other shit. I like that hoe. Weak ass song gonna get man view, bitch.
That nigga told her, I ain't gonna kick you out. I ain't gonna do you like your brother G.
Yo, you can't tell that hell savage shit. That shit funny in a bitch, bro.
That shit funny.
He ain't gonna kick you in my mind.
Bro, that shit funny as fuck when you do shit like that. Then nigga use that shit against you, see?
Exactly.
You don't want a nigga using that shit against you, bro. Stay offline with that shit. Cause once you post it, bro, especially when your shit is public, it's not even private.
Yeah.
Bro, anybody can see it. Anybody could be tagged in it. Yep. And they get to say whatever the fuck they want because they know you can't find them. You can't do shit to them.
Real.
So they gonna say whatever the fuck they want.
We found a nigga personal page and everything and all that shit, but we found all this shit out by Shade Room and
Shade Room.
Not academic.
See?
Say cheese, like damn.
Complex, like everybody, bro. Goddamn, everybody
report his humbly speech, like when him just being humble, like seeing what he gonna do with his money, what's best, and all that shit. And then they draw shit, like, cause I was wondering like how Blueface see this shit, this and that. Like damn, Blueface like eyeballing that nigga page and shit, this and that. Heard he got a new artist and nigga eyeballing new artists and shit. But now they said they like what Meek Mill new artist said what he gonna do before he. Instead of splurge, why he ain't got no chains? Why he ain't spending no money on no chains and juries and shit? Cause he spending money on main priorities. Then Blueface responded to that shit. That shit lame as fuck though. That's the only thing I say. Like, but shit, like I say, shit, we just waiting on work from YungRo. Besides all the little hate shit, just gotta like say like, damn, we don't want niggas to come out with that type of following. That's how nigga was on because a nigga had to start a beef. Nah, niggas don't want that type of recognition, to be honest. But
purple face.
He said purple face. Oh God.
Purple fucking face.
That's that shit though. The nigga SauceWalka dropped the tape.
Hey.
Ghetto gospel.
Ghetto gospel too.
Yeah, Sauce at the front, at the top of that house. Cause I just regularly said Ghetto
Why
gospel.
was fucking name
weird?
Exactly.
Weird.
Exactly. But nah, I ain't even fully listen to that shit to just get my review. I ain't just really fully hear it yet. Like, I just know boys dropped it. I don't know who else dropped the tape. Like,
I hit skip on that hoe. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was on some like, alright, cool, skip. That's alright, skip.
Nah, it was like the first.
Yeah, switch this shit.
Like, not the first song, but the song, like, track 2 and 3. I don't know how they listed whatever the names, but I know the third track. Second track, them hoes was cool, and I heard, but I know that nigga just dropped the tape, like I said. I ain't get the fully listen yet.
It's like he dropped what, 3 this year?
Yeah,
I think so.
Yeah. The other one was The one before this was what that name? The name of that hoe was.
I think it was
the one with Dripping Hard. That hoe was live.
Splash House, shit like that. Nah, fuck is that shit? I ain't got too many shits, bro.
Yeah, them niggas use too many difficult, retarded ass names or whatever the fuck. So I don't just know like that.
I be high. I just know the songs.
Exactly. All them damn tapes.
Shit,
nigga know the name of everybody else tape, like Sosa Band and them tape, and Rizzo and shit, Green Goblin and all that. SauceWalka be using some crazy ass names and all that shit. And nigga, artwork be live as fuck. Art cover.
I think that's how you know what I'm saying. How you try to attract people to his shit.
Yeah, that's really like
what
throw a little grabs our attention.
Sauce, Ghetto, gospel.
When they came out with the Simpsons type little shit.
Yeah.
That shit was still like when that shit first came out.
I remember when the Sauce Twin did the GTA shit.
That too.
That shit was hard.
Yeah, I'm
Grand Theft Auto Sauce.
Hey, Sancho got a song with what's that nigga name? Snooty Wild or some shit.
Snooty Wild?
Yeah.
You talking about Yayo?
Yes, bro. Bro, remember when Sancho got a song on that hoe with him talking about niggas be talking? Yeah, bro, that hoe hard, bro, on guard. That hoe hard than a bitch, so that's what I say, bro. I don't know that. I like this other songs.
What that shit wild? That shit
on guard. That shit deep.
You gotta revisit that shit.
That shit crazy,
right after the episode. Revisit that shit.
On guard.
Yeah. I don't know who else dropped the tape. Like I said, shit. We just shot everybody out.
Oh, and then
I dropped a cool ass freestyle yesterday.
Oh, you know, NoTatts shit dropped yesterday as well.
Yeah. Did he drop it yesterday? No, he been had a tape on iTunes.
Okay,
but he said he about to drop some stuff like Spotify, some stuff this month for Spotify. But yeah, we had SitDown with NoTatts. That was cool. Second SitDown.
Shout out to NoTatts, you know what I'm
Bro,
saying?
we were running a cool ass freestyle session.
Yeah, that shit was still, I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna go up, bro. Shit was battle rap shit, man. Y'all gonna see that shit, man. Y'all gonna see that shit, y'all gonna be dying, bro. On God, bro. Y'all gonna be fucking dying, bro.
Check that shit out. That shit was alright.
Tone the fuck in, dog.
But yeah, that shit was the stiff ass experience. Like how we say shit, we'll have more sit downs with people, different special guests. Interviews coming soon this month. We tried to get it last month, but shit, people and their lifestyles and shit. So yeah,
hey, man.
We got this year. Y'all should be expecting some interviews.
Yeah, just to be clear, we don't sit down with anybody, bro.
Yeah.
We do not sit down with anybody.
Yeah.
Gotta have something going.
Or interviews with anybody.
Yeah.
Like right now, we just focus on people that's like, yeah, they been in it, but you just current. Like you recently, some recent shit. We fucking with you. We fucking with everybody, but we fucking with the recent shit. You know, we can't be talking about history all the time.
Booked and fucking busy shit.
Exactly. Like for real.
You have to be doing something.
Then we got the goddamn Battle of the Sexes shit coming up.
Yeah.
Man.
So stay tuned for that shit.
Damn, I forgot bro name. But yeah, y'all gonna be seeing some other shit. Yeah. Some other people we've been networking with people and shit. Y'all gonna be seeing shit, clothes.
Y'all know the vibes.
Different skits. All that shit. A lot of upcoming shit. Just the beginning. But
soon we'll be having hoodies, you know what I'm saying? Shirts, you know what I'm saying?
Big beanies in this bitch, you know what I'm saying?
Man.
Enough motherfucking talk. Close your mind. Stop
the
talking.
Clothes gonna be too still. Niggas gonna be. Hey man.
Hey, I'm good.
Just wait on it.
No, I'm gonna naturally be at Carol's until Enough Talk hoodie. I'm good. I'm thugging. Fuck it, you saying?
Oh god.
No bullshit, man.
Nah, but yeah though, shit, that's rounding up this damn EP. That's really what's been going on for the last 2 weeks type shit.
Yes sir, Palais.
Houston, Texas wise. Yeah, Texas wise, Dallas and them, them casino niggas beefing or whatever, but you know, we don't really gossip about shit like that, but that's the only other shit that Dallas been having going on. Whatever
y'all got going on, y'all
y'all need to
y'all need to handle that shit.
Exactly, handle that shit.
But y'all for free promo, that's like
for real. Oh yeah, we was on here live. Yeah.
Free promo out of nowhere type shit.
Hey, bro.
Man, we be active on
like,
niggas' lives, Instagram, all that shit. We be active on niggas' shit for real. We in your comments, on your live. Don't be surprised. At your scene. Don't be super surprised when you see us on the scene.
Hey, bro, we pulled the fuck up.
God,
Ain't shit too far. Fuck is you saying?
Pull it the fuck it up.
On God. We'll be at South by Southwest. We gonna be at the relays. We at all that shit. We put it up. Fuck is y'all talking about?
Bro, they gonna see next year. That shit gonna be too hard.
Man.
That's
Y'all thought we were playing about this
shit
80 shit. You
fuck up.
got us sadly mistaken. This 80 shit is real. No bullshit.
For real. Not even just ALIEF, it's Texas shit.
Texas shit.
Overall. But yeah, y'all gonna see what it is, ALIEF first and Houston first.
No bullshit.
Then we're gonna be fading other cities. But like I say, this is just the beginning. Next year, y'all gonna see it. Be ready. Stay tuned. For real.
Hey, man, I don't know what they got going on. They finna I'm finna plug, but I don't know what they got going on.
Yeah. Bro, for real.
No, do not start this bullshit.
Let's little minor Clark.
This nigga the only Herm Clark orange that was born in or had
no fucking
or harvest.
No orange.
In the ALIEF tree.
I don't give a damn what fucking color they decided to ride back then. I would not ride orange.
An ALIEF seed that helped sprout to a tree, and we got one orange.
Man, nah, no sir.
One orange.
One, goddammit. One.
I gotta be fucked. Yeah, I gotta be fucked.
Bro, you.
Always use that now.
Hey man, I'm just an extended visitor, man.
Hey, man.
Visitor.
But now on the slap shit, though, shit. ALIEF fuck with Clark hard, like for real, all around. So we fuck with Houston all around, and Southside type shit all around, you know.
We on the side.
Yeah.
Do you love the South Side?
Oh.
Where the hell you up, though?
Shit.
Y'all niggas.
Follow us.
Follow us.
You know what I'm saying? Like, share, comment.
Follow us
on
IG, follow us on Facebook. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the YouTube channel, EnoughTalkPod. That's the only thing you gotta type in, bro. No age shit. No.
On God.
Hey,
Google.
on God.
Shout out to
How the niggas be saying, Google me, Google us.
Nigga.
Enough.
Check our stats, nigga. Check our episodes, nigga.
Oh, God.
Money, stay tuned, bro. Tell your grandma, tell your cousins, tell your baby mama to follow us, bro.
Yeah, tell the
We ain't gotta
cats,
tell them.
tell the
already
dogs, tell the hens
supported.
and the chickens.
Them hoes already supported low key. Niggas don't.
Yeah, we gotta go, so y'all gotta get the fuck up out of here. We ain't gonna lie to you. Get the fuck up out of here, man. This ain't no Christmas, motherfucker, you never talk pocket.